Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video we are going to have a look at how to fix a broken bumper. The front bumper of this Toyota Yaris has been involved in a collision and it has been broken on the right side. As you can see, there is a major crack visible from the outside, and previously it was disconnected. See this major crack? Previously it was disconnected, and this is partly plastic and partly fiberglass kind of bumper. Now in this video we'll see how to repair it. All you have to do is, by simply using scrap metal, you can repair this kind of bumper. See all those scrap metals? Those scrap metals are used to entirely repair this bumper, and as you can see, it is rigidly fixed. All you can see is cracks on the outer side. All you have to do is simply bring a scrap metal of like this, then drill them, multiple drilling, and heat them up. You heat the metal until it is red hot, and then following the crack you simply press it on the bumper. As you can see, when the hot metal touches this bumper, the metal will melt some part of the bumper, and it will extrude it through the drilling. You see those bulging parts? Those are extrusions from the bumper itself. So that will solidify on the upper side of the metal, and that will fix the bumper. So that is a very simple DIY project that you can do. Simply find a scrap metal, drill tiny holes, heat it up until it is red hot, and following the crack line, press it down. Very easy. As you can see, on the outer side only a crack is visible. This can be done with a polish and a little of painting will do the job. So this is a very simple, easy way of fixing a broken bumper. You can do this on plastic bumpers. You can do this on partly plastic, partly fiberglass bumpers. As you can see now, this vehicle looks very nice. All it requires is polishing and painting. So this is a very simple DIY project. So you can fix your car bumper in minutes. This is a very easy technique. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you regarding a simple mechanism for fixing a broken bumper. If you like this video, and if you like what has been presented, please smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe, turn on notifications so that you will be notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe.